We're at Green Acres. Let's see what they have inside. That's it right there. That one is huge. Is that the one that... This bird paradise is beautiful. Let's go that way. Your house plants.
Mama's got a lot out there too.
This is so pretty, Mom. I'm excited.
I know.
We drove like 45 minutes from my grandma's house to Elk Grove. And this one is $42. We're gonna get this for my sister for her birthday. We're gonna see if we can find another one that they put aside for us, but that one's nice. So, how cute! You like that stuff, Papa? So now we're just gonna look in your outdoor or indoor collection.
Mama, I work here.
You work here, baby? Okay, so we have some Hoyas. I think I want one of these. Hold on, baby, 1 second. $22.50 for the Hoya Crimson. Yeah? I think I want one of these. I don't have this one yet. So pretty. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Pepperonis, Puccini, Russo. Here. Oh my goodness. If you're looking for a Monstera, come to Elk Grove, California. Which one do you like?
That one's 60 something. And this one's how much?
42.
That one's a good deal.
Jonathan, look at the doggy.
But it's hairy. Look at it. Look. Oh, yeah.
Hindi yan manok. Ewan ko, chili beans pa yun.
2.5-inch pounds are $2.95.
Sila
Look at it.
tanim ng iba. Ay, hindi, nahulog lang yan siya. Sila nahulog.
4-inch are $4.75.
Ayaw lang daw.
No worries. Look at this one, Papa. Would you like that one? Oh, yeah, steal me. Masala.
Manong Roy, mayroon kaming ganito, Manong. Ito ang
Beautiful Ionian.
Wait.
mayroon kaming ganito, Manong.
What are these? These are dense
I
cats.
learned that from Gonzo and Kermit.
How much are these guys? This place is beautiful and huge.
Why is it chicken house?
Go look over here, see what they have. Jonathan, this way, babe. Japanese camellia, camouflage. Hey, stay by here. Big leaf philodendron. Big leaf philodendron.
These are nice.
These are beautiful, yeah.
The big leaf ones.
Xanadu.
No chickens are in it.
Yeah, there's no chicken in it. Japanese.
Because chickens are
What
not
does?
chickens are not alive. Only when you go to barn.
Okay.
My mom has this right here.
But I was just playing a little bit for it.
Look at that. Yes, we're doing great. Thank you.
Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. This one's pretty.
Oh, that's a pretty one too. This one right here.
What is this?
This one's pretty too, Mom. It's gorgeous.
Alopecia portora. This is pretty.
Too, Mom.
These are $12.50. I should get a small one like this. How pretty.
Oh, they have a lot of beautiful plants.
I think I might get one. Yeah. Look at these variegated ones. So for the haul for Green Acres, I got this beautiful Hoya. This is the Crimson Princess. It's beautiful. This one cost $22.50, which I thought was not too bad. I've gotten Hoyas for like $15 or like $12 actually. So, I mean, I thought that was not bad. I don't have this one, so I wanted to get it. So I got that one. I got these 2 dunce caps, which I was really excited about because I don't have any of these. I got 2 of these. They need some water and probably a sunshine, but they're looking really cute. Then I got this cool Haworthia Enon, which needs to be repotted, as you can see there. And then I got this Alocasia Calidora, which I was also really happy about because I've been wanting an alocasia, like elephant ear, and they're usually really big. So this was the perfect size. And these dunce caps were like $4.75, and then this little guy was $2.95. And I also got from Green Acres, ta-da, this beautiful Monstera Adamsonii. I got this one for, it was regular price $28.50, and I just got 10% off because it was looking a little just rough. So I got it for like 25 something, but I feel like it's looking a lot better than when it was. See, a lot of the leaves are kind of like a little crinkled, and she said in transport it got a little bit too much heat and sun, but there's some beautiful leaves here. So I'm really excited about this plant. I've been wanting this one, and I got it for 25 bucks, which I mean, I don't know how much they're usually costing. This is a 10-inch pot, so I thought that was a really good price for it. I don't know, tell me. But it's super long. My grandma and for me to propagate. So I don't know, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna keep on giving it some TLC, and I think it's gonna do great in my house, in the spot that I have the other cutting that Betty gave me. So I'm really excited about this one. It's huge. So I'm super excited about that one. But yeah, that was my haul for Green Acres, which I'm really happy about. And that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which ones of these you have in your collection, which ones you're looking to get. And yeah, I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.